This year, I have been creating content for my channel. I mainly built with Lego sets, have designed hundreds of unique figures. My goal is to get everyone, kids and adults, excited about Lego. For younger builders, Lego is a fantastic way to boost hand skills and creativity. Today I am showing you my brand new project, a moving T-Rex robot built with Lego Spike Prime. Yes, this dinosaur moves. Spike Prime comes with a smart hub, large and medium motors, plus color and the distance sensor. One motor turns the head, other motor is sinks the tail. Sensor is lets the T-Rex react when you get close. I programmed it using Block Basics Spike app. After the start block, motor A control the head, motor B is control the tail. On my first run, tail is swinging so fast, in that time T-Rex is toppled over. Fixing mistakes is part of learning. Then, let's start the building T-Rex. For the build T-Rex, let's start with the leg.
I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the
We finish T-Rex legs. Let's continue with the head.
Damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me. Put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy.
Are the upper teeth of the T-Rex really sharp? Anyway, let's continue. We finish our head. Let's put this head near to leg. Let's continue with the tail.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to feed. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts. I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Choke until I have everything I attack. Everything that I lack, everything that I want. And I see, matter of fact, cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully.
We already finished the tail. We already can put the layer of the legs and the head. Finally, let's start to do body parts and then create the dinosaur. already finished the body parts. Let's build the T-Rex. Yahoo!
Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best, and deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
For the move, I write a code in this app. Like I use a Spike app program, and I write codes in that place. And when I show my hands, it starts to swings its tail and start to move its head. Like we try. It was so fun. I love because it is already learning something. Like I learned how to give a code for this and how which one is the correct motors in that place. It's good for me. And if you're surprised, I am so fun, and can you surprise me? And if you like this video, you can touch the like button. See you.